Hello, my coalistic people. How are you all doing? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. If this is the first time you're coming across us, or you are hearing our voice for the first time, see, in this platform, we bring it back to back and we say it the way it is, no mega. We give it and we make our own analysis. We find out everything and we bring back to report to you guys. We bring it back and we report it to you. You know that I told you that for some time a lot of things has been going on. When I said a lot of things has been going on, a lot of things started happening, a lot of things are going on that even you yourself, you will know that yes, of a truth, a lot of things has been going on recently. Example, the problem of Simon Ekpa and some DOS members and some autopiloters that later made a U-turn because they understand that Simon Ekpa is not capable, like not telling the followers or the people that are following him when was Sophia and Dr. Nelly and so many of them are using the wife of Nnamdi Kanu, calling her names that Simon Ekpa did not squad them, that he did not tell them to stop. He did not even do anything that seems that he is correcting them on one thing. Bish, a lot of people were losing hope already. A lot of people are blasting him already that he's not doing it well. Not until today that something rose up. That is Father Mbaka Easter Retreat Program. He declared it and he made it known to the world that everybody should start listening to Simon Ekpa. He said that Simon Ekpa is doing a great job. In fact, due to one reason or the other, I can't play the video here. I don't have to play his voice. But if you are looking for where to get it, you know where to get it. Father Mbaka speak and said everybody should listen to Simon Ekpa, that Simon Ekpa is doing a great job, that Simon Ekpa is the last man standing, that Simon Ekpa is the only person that is following Nnamdi Kanu's footsteps, and he's the only person that is working for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. Please, I am not the one that said it. I am quoting word for word of what Father Mbaka said, because I cannot bring the video here. And I'm not here to lie against the man of God, no. I am not here to say what he did not say, no. He said it. And the video is everywhere. Just that I can't bring the video here because I guess that Mbaka don't like people posting his video at such. So I just have to respect him and not bring it here. But this is what is in the preaching. He said people should start listening to Simon Ekpa. I am not faking it because I can't even fake it. I don't even have power of my own to fake it, and I can't lie against him. Okay? If you know that I am lying, you can reach me privately so that I can send you the video. Yes, I will send it to you. Then you will listen to the clip. That will be more better. So, my coalistic people, when everybody starts losing up on Simon Ekpa already, they are saying Simon Ekpa is a terror, that they've prescribed Simon Ekpa. Suddenly, a great man of God rose up and let the world understand that the only person that you need to listen to is Simon Ekpa. A lot of people are now making U-turn. Like, this gets us more confused because yesterday it was really a blow. I also made a video here about some issues when they said they are going to step aside for Simon Ekpa because he proved that he can do it and is doing it in the wrong way. But for Father Mbaka to come out and say that Simon Ekpa is doing it so right, is it that it's the Spirit of God that talked to Father Mbaka? Is it the Spirit of God that speak to him that, oh, Mazi Simon Ekpa is doing a great job? Please, I just want you to checkmate this issue for me. I just want you to look at it in a different dimension. Do you really think that Simon Ekpa is the last man standing and is in the right queue, is the right direction? Because before this prophecy came, believe me, a lot of people are trying to have a U-turn. Yes, so they are already leaving Simon Ekpa already due to the fact that they say Simon Ekpa is not confronting those people that are using Nnamdi Kanu's name for Joko. And Simon Ekpa said no. He has been correcting these people. He's even fighting with them every moment, every day. There are people that do not know them, we think that all is well. That all is not well, oh. That time with that number, he has been doing it the other way around with them. And a lot of people were like, shoo. A lot of people were in that live stream. Even myself, I swallowed my spit and I said, we are still watching you, okay? So even Uwa Sophia rose up yesterday and said that of a truth, she has a lot of conflict with Simon Ekpa because of this issue. He said that but a lot of people don't really know what Simon Ekpa is passing through, that Simon Ekpa is fighting them outside the camera. Simon Ekpa has been talking with them and they have their own problem. They have their own misunderstanding just because of these issues. He said, but a lot of people don't really understand because Simon Ekpa don't show it. And even yesterday when they were trying to make some statements, to everybody's eyes, Simon Ekpa just shone it like he told them, no, you can't say this here, it's not right and all that. And I really appreciate what really happened yesterday. They all of them, they accept correction and they obey. They understand that yes, of a truth, there are some statements that they are making that is not right. So Simon Ekpa also confirmed it yesterday that of a truth, a lot of people don't really know what is passing through with these people, that there is nowhere that there is no conflict. They have their own differences, especially the way this issue is. And he rose up to defend the wife of Nnamdi Kanu. He said that the wife of Nnamdi Kanu has shown up in his platform, even prayed, tweet, and even sue the government. So I am like, shoo. So he really said a lot of things yesterday. You know, not everything that somebody will be saying. He said a lot of things yesterday briefly, and a lot of people also understand. But when people were trying to give up and say that, oh, it's everywhere, it's even on some of the sites, when they said that the DOS, the IPOP leadership, they are going to sue Simon Ekpa for terror because the federal government has also said it, and a lot of people are starting having U-turn, starting to go back and say, oh, we are not trusting Simon Ekpa anymore, we are not going along with him. And Bish, a wonderful man of God, a popular man of God, rose up and said, no, you have to follow Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa is the last man standing. Simon Ekpa is doing the bid of the people. Simon Ekpa is helping Nnamdi Kanu. Simon Ekpa is the only one that is standing helping Nnamdi Kanu. That when he listened to Simon Ekpa, he have hope. That there's one program Simon Ekpa did, that when he got home, he has been meditating on this word, and when he got home, he said no, he have to endorse Simon Ekpa that he is doing well. He congratulated him and he said a lot of things in his Easter program. So I know some people will come out and say, oh, where is the video? Please just reach me privately and I will send you the video, because I don't want to put it here. I will send you the video so that you see things for yourself, because I know that some people will also be doubting me. So my realistic people, what do you see about all these words, all this that is going on when some persons are trying to give a bish? Father Mbaka came up and said you need to have hope in Simon Ekpa. If you see, what will you do? Because a lot of people, they are already confused, saying that Simon Ekpa is not doing well. And this man of God, I believe in the Spirit of God is speaking through him. He know what he sees. For him to say this, he know what he's seeing. Nobody know what has come over him. Nobody know the spirit that talked to him, but he said it. You know, my Kabbalistic people, in this platform, I told you that I bring every news. We don't hide anyone. Lala to lala, yo. When I make some kind of news, some people will tell me, oh, why are you bringing this news? Yes, yeah. I told you, when it is sweet, I will bring it. When it's also ugly, when it's bitter like bitter leaf, I will also bring it, because we don't hide anything. We say it the way it is. So my Kabbalistic people, please do well to follow this platform, share the video, like the video, join this family, and let us be one big family. So my Kabbalistic people, I choose to leave here so you digest on this issue and draw your own opinion for your own self. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here, I said bye.